living in a forest. That's what our home sellers lovingly call 5504 Spring Bluffs here in the south side of Raleigh because of the amazing views we see through the floor to ceiling sliders in the living room. I'm really going to want you to see that. And the home was custom built in the year 2000 with over 3,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a location that is spectacular. We're close to everything here. It's amazing to get a home like this that's so close to everything, that's on a cul-de-sac and on 3.5 acres. All right, folks, let's check out 5504 Spring Bluffs. In addition to the all brick exterior, we've got a fantastic kitchen here. How about these granite countertops? Gas cooktop, double oven, stainless steel appliances, of course. Kitchens, baths, and hardwood sell houses. And how about these hardwoods, folks? And I love this floor to ceiling fireplace. Pool table could convey, and it really should stay here in this beautiful bonus room with these beautiful hardwood floors. Come on outside. How about it, folks? Living in the forest. I mean, look at this view. It's just gorgeous. Our folks spent tens of thousands of dollars replacing all the windows, including these floor to ceiling sliders with Anderson replacement windows, which are about as good a quality as you can get. You really want to check out 5504 Spring Bluffs here in South Raleigh. My name's Armand, Realtor with Team Armand EXP Realty. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our videos to be the first to receive news about what's happening in the housing market here in Raleigh. And remember, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team is ready to help you. My full contact information is below. Thanks for your time, folks. Appreciate it.